Okay, so if you're looking to learn English, it can feel like a huge task at first, as there are so many methods, apps, and courses out there, and it's hard to know where to even start. I get it. Learning a new language can be overwhelming, which is why I wanted to make this guide to give you a straightforward plan to help you take it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're getting into the best ways to learn English from scratch, especially if you're a beginner. I'll be covering practical steps, helpful resources like Pimsleur, which is great for building strong language foundations, and tips on staying motivated along the way. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to address English learning and see real progress. And if at any point you decide to try out Pimsleur, I left an affiliate link in the description with an exclusive discount to get you started. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, let's start with something super important, which is setting realistic goals and expectations. When you're learning English, it's easy to feel like you need to master everything all at once. But honestly, the best way to make real progress is to break it down into smaller, more achievable goals. For example, maybe you want to focus first on holding a basic conversation, learning key vocabulary for daily activities, or understanding common phrases. Setting specific short-term goals like these will help you stay motivated and see your progress, which is a huge improvement as you move forward. Also, remember that learning a language takes time, so be patient with yourself. Progress might seem slow at first, but with consistent practice, you'll start to notice improvements. The goal isn't perfection, it's about getting a little better every day. So let's start small and keep building from there. Okay, so now that we've set some goals, let's talk about building a strong foundation. One of the best resources for this is Pimsleur, which is especially helpful for beginners. If you've never heard of it, Pimsleur is a language learning program that's been around for almost 50 years. It was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, a linguist and language educator dedicated to finding the best way to teach languages. Originally, Pimsleur was audio only, think cassette tapes and CDs back in the day, but they've evolved with the times and now offer a comprehensive online platform with courses in over 50 languages, plus an AI-based pronunciation feedback system. Pimsleur focuses on pronunciation and speaking from the very start, making it a great choice if you want to build confidence speaking the language out loud. The lessons are structured to teach you phrases and vocabulary naturally and conversationally, which is super effective for picking up the basics. What makes Pimsleur so effective is its emphasis on listening and speaking, rather than memorizing grammar rules or vocabulary lists. You're actively using English from day one, which is key for building confidence. Also, the lessons focus on everyday conversation, so you get comfortable with phrases and words you'll actually use in real-life situations. On top of that, Pimsleur's step-by-step structure gradually builds your skills, making it less overwhelming as you go. It's like having a coach guide you, which is perfect for anyone wanting to get comfortable speaking English in practical, real-world settings. Now, while Pimsleur is amazing for building a solid foundation, there are a few extra tools you might want to check out to improve your English even more. For example, if you want to strengthen your vocabulary, apps like Duolingo or Memrise can be really helpful. They're great for practicing individual words and phrases on the go, which can reinforce what you're learning with Pimsleur. This will help you improve your language skills in more ways. Another great tip is to check out some beginner-friendly English channels on YouTube, like watching videos with native speakers or listening to simple conversations. Gives you a chance to hear different accents and get a feel for natural ways of speaking. It's a relaxed way to start training your ear and getting comfortable with the flow of real English conversations. Now, like I said, the entire system with Pimsleur is based on audio lessons, so right from the start, you'll be listening and speaking, just like you would if you were trying out English with a friend. Once you start, you'll have access to 30-minute audio sessions that you can follow on their app or website, which is perfect if you're someone who's on the go, like if you're commuting, doing chores, or just taking a break on the couch. And what I really like is that you don't just listen. You have to say the phrases back to yourself. This helps you improve your pronunciation and get used to the way people talk in the real world. Now, getting started is super simple. You just download the Pimsleur app or go to their website, pick your language, and get right into that first lesson. where you are guided to speak out loud and try phrases in real conversations. Plus, there are some cool extras, like they offer digital flashcards for vocabulary practice, quick quizzes to test your understanding, and a voice coach feature to help with pronunciation. Also, the hands-free approach is honestly one of my favorite things. There's no staring at a screen or being tied to a desk. It fits into your day whenever you have a few free minutes. And you don't need any special equipment either, just your phone, tablet, or computer. So whether you're just starting to learn English or getting better at it, Pimsleur's setup makes it easy to fit into any routine. That said, if you're wondering about Pimsleur's pricing, they offer a couple of options depending on what you're looking for. If you're focused on one language, there's a lifetime purchase option giving you full access for around $120. But if you're interested in learning multiple languages, there's an all-access subscription for about $20 a month, which covers all 51 languages that they offer. Plus, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. Now, staying motivated is super important, especially in language learning, where it's easy to feel like progress is slow. And so celebrating the small wins, like recognizing new words, understanding a phrase, or even completing a session, is a great way to stay motivated, as each small step is progress, and those little achievements add up over time. Pimsleur is great because it's set up to help you build on what you already know, so you can feel your progress as you go. When you stick with it consistently, you'll notice real progress, and that can be super motivating. Seeing results, even if they're gradual changes, is what keeps you going. So wrapping up this video, if you're looking for a practical way to start learning English that focuses on listening and speaking, Pimsleur is a solid choice. Its audio-based lessons make it really easy to fit into a busy schedule, and it helps build your confidence in real conversations from day one, making it perfect if you're preparing for a trip that speaks another language and want to be prepared so it's easier to get around, or just want to speak more naturally. That said, if you're looking to get more into grammar or focus more on reading and writing, you might want to add another resource alongside Pimsleur. But overall, it's an excellent option for beginners who want a structured, effective way to start speaking English right away. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're interested in trying out Pimsleur, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a special discount that you can't find on their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.